Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. So excited for this one, you guys. This is the back of the headrest charging storage caddy, and I'm in love. This guy is amazing. Okay, so when you get yours, guys, you are going to have a package that has these rubber inserts in them. These are great because they easily just go in to give a little bit more stability to the item in there, like an anti-slip type of thing. And then they're so easy to just remove and clean. So that's one of the amazing features. You've got 5 different separate divider parts in here. You've got a big hole here. Back here, you've got a little slit, which is perfect for a phone to stand up in it. You've got a really nice large cup holder, and then the same on this side with a nice large storage area, and then another slit back here for the phone or like an iPod, a smaller object in there. So there is a cord hanging, you guys, which is a USB-C port. Okay, so while you guys have this installed, your back passengers are able to charge their devices. This is wonderful. Look how far it goes, and I think it might go a little bit further. And then just to close it, pull on it twice real quick. Not even like a pull, just a little tug. So same thing with this one, and then it slides right back in. So you also are going to get 2 different size for the hanging loops here. So you've got the smaller pair, and then I'm choosing the larger pair. Oh, it's up here already, duh. Okay, now the instructions are going to tell you to install these first. For me personally, I just found it easier. So these are going to go like this, to just slide it over the edge part. Okay, so I take mine, there's a little grooved spot on each side. There we go, where it'll just like slide over it. You can hang it first and then slide the box. So it's all just preference. So this one goes this way. So here's the little grooved part that I'm talking about here and down here, where these are going to go in. So super quick and easy. Put one there, and then now I can just slide this out to get it adjusted appropriately here. And boom, within the matter of seconds, we are up and running, which is phenomenal. So USB port, I have a plug down here. When the car is up and running and it is being charged, your indicator light is down here, guys, and it does turn into a blue. So you'll know if your plug is in and you're actually charging, which is really cool. So now, guys, we're ready to rock and roll. They are hooks down here. So my son is obsessed with his sunglasses. The umbrella that I lose all the time in the car. So I love that there's a hook here. You could easily hang a garbage bag here as well on one of them, long road trips. Like I said, this is being used for my son. So I'm going to get him all set up with his snacks. We're going to put, let's see, he's got one of his favorite toys over here, his water bottle. So look at this. Oh, do you guys ever hear these go off in the car? These are interesting. But these are all his favorite things for any time we are going in a road trip, even when I'm dropping him off at school. He is younger, obviously. But guys, this would be so great if you got a car full of people, put them on every headrest, and then everybody has like their own set little area for their items. This is so fantastic. And I love this. I love that there are 2 of these. So even if you are using one caddy, you can have, you know, the person on the left use their cord. And then if you, like I said, if you only have one caddy, this will easily reach over to the second seat behind, this would be the driver, so that you actually only need one for each back area, if you didn't want to get 2 for each. So really love this, you guys. I love how quick and easy it is to set up. The charging station, the retractable cord, phenomenal design here. So guys, I hope you love yours. Thanks so much for listening. Have a great day.